In this video, I will show you how to create a PDF file from a Word document, or how to export as a PDF file from .exe document. Like here, we are open a Word document. To export this file to PDF, just go to File and choose Export to PDF. Windows pop up, and we can choose the save path is a same directory, and we export the file. Okay, export finish. We can close this pop-up window. We can go to this one, to Finder, and open a new file. We can see right here we have our PDF file from our document has been exported. The second one is we can choose a print, and a pop-up print shows up, and we can choose to print as a PDF file also. We just choose the location and the name of the file and hit save. The file again will be saved on the same directory, this one, and this is the same file as our document before. That's it. Two ways to convert a Word document to PDF on WPS Office and also on this macOS Sonoma. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.